Hi, I'm Bill Hammond, founder of the Elder and Disability Law Firm. We help families through what we call the elder care journey. And it's not uncommon for us to sit down with families who really have had a change in their situation. So let's say we've got Mr. and Mrs. Johnson. Let's say they've been living at home, they've got a nice little nest egg, $150,000. They're getting older. In fact, Mr. Johnson served during World War II. They really need to move to an assisted living facility. The problem is they've got income of $1,500 per month, and the assisted living facility they're looking at is $4,500 per month. The Johnsons come in, they sit down and they talk with me and they say, you know, we've got $1,500 coming in, $4,500 will be going out. We're short $3,000 a month. And the problem is that on $150,000, nowadays, we're earning, maybe $150, $200 a month. We can't afford to move, but we really need to move. What do? This is one of those cases where it's really surprising to a lot of folks to find out that there's a VA benefit which can really make the difference between not being able to do this and absolutely being able to afford the move. So what we did is I sat down with the Johnson family and I said, first of all, in order to be eligible for the VA benefit, what's going to happen is we're going to have your assets down to somewhere in the neighborhood of around $50,000. Now, one way to do that would be to simply pay the cost of the assisted living. If we were $3,000 a month short, take us about 33 months and that money would be gone. Here's a better way to do it. A better way to do that would be to take that spend down amount and put it into an income stream, turn it into monthly income for them. And if in this case they put it into what we call a SPIA, which stands for Single Premium Immediate Annuity, all of a sudden the Johnsons would start receiving about $1,700 per month. The magic of this is by turning that into an income stream, as long as the VA is concerned, that money no longer exists. Now they're down to that $50,000 level, which means that they would then be eligible for a VA benefit that could be nearly $1,950 a month. So if you think about it, we had a $3,000 a month shortfall. Now we've got $1,700 a month coming in from the SPIA and another $1,950 a month coming in from the VA. All of a sudden we've gone from a situation that looked hopeless to simply rearranging some things in such a way that they're going to be entitled to a benefit for his service during World War II, and done in such a way that they're not giving anything up. They absolutely can make this move to the assisted living facility, and in fact they'll find that they can make that move and have enough left over to live on a monthly basis. Pretty neat situation. We see these all the time. And oh, by the way, if Mr. Johnson passed away, there'd still be $1,056 per month for Mrs. Johnson. But it's one of those situations where you really just need to sit down with someone who knows how to do this, take a look at the entire situation, and figure out how to best help them along the elder care journey. That's what we do. Thank you.